So, punta naman tayo sa may absolute value. So, yung absolute value function na binibigay ko sa class ko para madali nilang matandaan ay parang yung sa quadratic function. Ang itsura niya is f of x equal to a times absolute value ni x minus h plus k. Where a is not 0. Because if a is 0, mawawala tong term na to, magiging constant function ka na lang. The domain is the set of real numbers at meron rin siyang vertex hk. So, naaalala nyo, kung sa parabola, kung sa quadratic function, nag-graph sa parabola, parang pa-letter U. Pagdating sa absolute value, ang graph niya is pa-letter V. So, if A is positive, pa-letter V siya that opens upward. If A is negative, pa-letter V siya that opens downward. At of course, the vertex is HK. So, gawa tayo ng example. So, let us sketch the graph of this. Give its domain and range. Ano palang domain nito? Actually, pareha nung sa quadratic. If A is positive, k to infinity. Kapag A is negative, negative infinity to k. So, give its domain and range. So, this is your A, this is your H, and this is your K. So, ang A natin is 2. Ang HK, or the vertex, is 1, negative 3. So, A is positive, so opening upward ito. So, i-sketch natin yung graph niya. So, nasaan ang kanyang vertex? Anong quadrant? 1, negative 3 nasa quadrant 4. So, andito yung 1, negative 3. Basta alam mo na itsura niya something pa ganyan, no? Ganyang pa letter V. So, ang gagawin mo, kukompute mo na lang yung x and y intercepts para alam mo precisely saan tatama sa y, saan tatama sa x, or kung pa ganun ba siya, something. Okay, so let us compute for the x-intercept. Of course, set y to 0. Anong lalabas? Dito. Meron tayong 0 equal to twice ni absolute value ng x minus 1 minus 3. So, ganyan, no? Divide both sides by 2. Or 1.5. Sige, 1.5 na lang. So, x minus 1 is plus minus 1.5. So, x is 1 plus minus 1.5. So, x-intercepts mo are 2.5 and 0.5. So, si 2.5. This is 2.5. This is 0.5. And the y-intercept, how do we compute for the y-intercept? Set x to 0. Anong lalabas? When x is 0, magiging 1 ito. 2 minus 3. Ano ba 2 minus 3? Negative 1. So, ang y mo ay negative 1. Y-intercept is negative 1. Pero nata akong maling minus dito. Hindi nagtutugma yung graph. Nakita ko na dito. 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5. 1 minus 1.5 is negative 0.5. So, dapat yung x-intercept ko ay nandun sa negative x. Okay. So, ito yung, this is negative 0.5. Ito yung 2.5. And the y-intercept is negative 1. And then, connect the dots. I-read ko na lang. So, yan yung graph ng absolute value natin. So, this is y equal to twice ni x minus 1 minus 3. Labelan natin x-intercept. This is 2.5, 0, negative 0.5, 0. And the y-intercept is 0, negative 1. And what is the, of course, the domain is the set of real numbers. And the range, we start with k, which is negative 3 to positive infinity. K mo is negative 3. So, punta naman tayo sa mas general case ng may absolute value. So, ang igagraph na natin, functions of the form, absolute value, tapos may laman yung loob niya. Okay? Ang laman niya is f of x, where f of x is some other function. So, para mag-graph mo yung y equal to the absolute value of f of x, igagraph mo muna yung y equal to f of x. So, kunyari, just to illustrate, you have this. Ang sketch mo muna, ito. Okay, so kuwari, ito yung sketch ng f of x, drawing ko. Kunyari, kunyari lang ha. Kunyari, ay, ano ba yan? Ang ganda ng drawing ko eh. Kunyari, this is y equal to f of x. Okay? Yan muna yung gagraph mo. Pag nag-graph mo na yung y equal to f of x, magagraph mo yung y equal to the absolute value of x. Ano mang ginagawa ng absolute value? Lahat ng negative, ginagawa niyang positive. So, yung ilalim na part na to, ire-reflect mo sa, tawag dito, about the x-axis. So, sabi dito, reflect all the portions below the x-axis ng graph ni f of x. So, yung mga nasa ilalim, i-reflect ko na lang gamit ang red. So, ito yung reflection nito. Ito, ang reflection nito ay something pa ganon. Okay? So, nasaan dyan yung graph nung may absolute value? Itong i-highlight ko, ito yung graph ng absolute value. Nasa ibabaw lang. Lahat nung nasa ibabaw. So, anong color kaya? I-pink ko na lang yung absolute value. Okay. Pwede nyo na maibalik yung video, no, kung gusto nyo makita kung paano. So, yung pink, yan yung y equal to the absolute value of f of x. Okay? I-apply natin yan dun sa next example. So, we want to sketch the graph of this function. So, una, igagraph mo muna yung y equal to yung nasa loob, which is x squared plus x. And this is an example of a quadratic function. So, ang titignan mo yung a para malaman mo kung opening upward or downward. In this case, a is 1, so it must open upward. So, parabola that opens upward. And ano yung vertex niya? A is 1, B is negative 1, C is 0. 1, negative 1 plus 0. So, H is equal to negative B over 2A or 1/2. Tama ba? Yes. And K is 4AC minus B squared divided by 4A. So, ilan ang lalabas dyan? So, negative 1/4. So, ang vertex natin ay HK, which is 1/2 negative 1/4. So, para magkaroon tayo ng idea doon sa graph, sketch na muna natin ng ano lang, kahit yung rough sketch lang. So, asan si 1/2 negative 1/4? Let's say this is 1. Lakihan natin na. Let's say this is 1/2 and this is negative 1/4. So, somewhere andyan yung, ayan yung vertex and opening upward. So, alamin na lang natin yung x-intercept, y-intercept para maging mas accurate yung graph natin. So, what is the x-intercept? Of course, set y to 0. Anong lalabas dito? X squared minus x is 0. Equate each. factor, equate each factor to 0, makukuha mo 0 at saka 1. So, dadaan siya sa 0 at saka sa 1. Usog ko tong drawing natin, ha? So, gaano kalaki yun? Extend nga natin drawing ko. Nilalakihan ko para hindi mahirap mag-drawing. So, eto si 1, dadaan dyan, tsaka kay 0. Actually, yan na rin yung y-intercept, no? Ay, sobra pala ako ng bilang. So, this is 1/2 unit. So, 1 plus 1/2. So, ito yung graph. Kaninong graph to? So, yan yung graph ni y equal to x squared minus x. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Ito pa lang yung nag-graph natin. And to graph the absolute value, itong portion na to, i-reflect natin pataas. So, saan tatama yun? So, sa 1/4, no? Mag-ano lang ako, rewrite. So, yung graph mo tatama pa ganyan. So, yung pink, yung reflection nito. So, ibig sabihin, yung graph ng absolute value nito is, itong i-highlight ko. Na ito-drawing ko in pink. So, itong pink, siya yung y equal to the absolute value of x squared minus x. Clear ba yon? So, let us proceed dun sa next type ng functions natin, which is the piecewise defined functions. Maraming mga batang or mga estudyante takot na takot dito. But these are just functions which are defined differently on different portions of its domain. So, kunyari, kaya nga siya piecewise defined kasi pira-piraso. So, parang kuwari, kung ito yung domain mo, pwedeng sa portion na to, linear siya, sa portion na to, pag ganyan siya, sa portion na to, ganyan siya. Ay, function ba yan? Pag ganyan siya, okay? So, kumbaga, titignan mo siya, pira-piraso nung interval niya. So, parang itong example na to, yung example is the absolute value of x. By definition, the absolute value of x is equal to negative x if x is negative. So, i-negate mo yung negative. Magiging positive. And, just copy daw yung x if x is positive or greater than or equal to 0. Kokopyahin mo lang daw yung number if x is non-negative. Etong bar na to, equality na yan, pwede mo rin ilipat doon. Hindi siya nagmamatter, same pa rin. So, but let us follow this definition. So, ibig sabihin nito, if x is negative, y equal to negative x yung igagraph mo. So, nasan yung x less than 0? Ito yung portion na yun ng number line. And you sketch the graph of y equal to negative x. Y negative x, ang itsura niya ay, it looks like this. Oops. Okay. Diba nag-extend yan? Pero, ang kukunin mo lang graph is sa portion na to. So, itong nandito lang. So, ito, buburahin mo na. At hindi kasali sa x equal to 0. So, butas dapat yun. Walang graph doon. Okay? And for this one, if x is greater than equal to 0, you sketch y equal to x. Ano bang itsura na y equal to x? Something pa ganyan. Pero, yung graph niyan, portion lang sa x is greater than equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, buburahin natin itong portion na ito. At kasali yung 0. Yung graph doon sa 0. So, magiging, mafi-fill in na siya. So, yung graph ng absolute value ay, kapag pinagsama mo yung dalawang yan, yung V-shape na yan. Okay ba? Nagets ba yun? Yung buo yung kabuuan yung graph ng absolute value. Y equal to absolute value of x. Okay, so gawa pa tayo. Mga ano lang ito, kailangan lang alam mo kung saang portion mo siya ginagraph. So, drawing ulit tayo ng XY axis. So, nasan yung partition? Nasa 1. Nasan si 1? Let's say this is 1. Okay, dun sa left ni 1, x is less than 1. Ito yung portion na yon. Ang igagraph mo, y equal to negative 3. Horizontal line na dumadaan na may y-intercept na negative 3. Nasaan na yon? Hala, I need space. Usog ko nga, ayan. Para magka-space ako. So, y negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Ito-drawing ko na lang yung graph niya ng pink. So, ang tanong dito, butas ba? Or kasali sa graph? Dito nyo makikita. Kapag walang equality, butas. Pag may equality, solid. So, hindi kasali yung 1 kasi less than 1 lang. Yung graph doon sa portion dito, butas dapat yon. So, meron kang hole. And next, when x is greater than equal to 1, you sketch y equal to 3. So, labelan ko lang ha. 1, 2, 3. So, horizontal line. Pero, dito sa portion mo lang siya igagraph. Kasi x mo is greater than equal to 1. So, ganun yung itsura. And dito, butas ba siya or not? Meron kang bar or may equality ka. So, ibig sabihin, when x is equal to 1, y is 3. So, meron kang point doon. So, ayang pink yung graph niya. So, gawa naman tayo ng medyo mas complicated. So, eto naman. Okay? So, titignan nyo yan per row para hindi kayo mahirapan. So, dito sa first row, ito row yung igagraph mo when x is less than negative 1. You sketch x cube if x is between negative 1 to 1. You sketch x equal to 1 when you sketch y equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. You sketch y equal to negative 2x plus 6 if x is greater than 1. So, drawing tayo ng ating magandang XY axis. Kunyari, this is the x-axis, the y-axis. So, parang magkakatalo-talo lang sila sa 1. Tama, at negative 1. Yun yung mga boundaries mo, oh. Negative 1, tsaka 1. So, ganito ko siya lagi ginagawa. No, high school ako, favorite ko to. Mga piecewise. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, let's say this is 1, this is negative 1. Okay, so gagraph natin siya per portion. So, portion dito, portion dito, portion dito, etc. O, magsimula tayo doon sa mga madadali. Okay, so parang ang madali, itong tatlong to. Okay, so start tayo sa negative 1 to 1. Ito yung interval na yon. So, from negative 1 to 1, hindi kasali yung negative 1 and 1, you sketch the graph of x cube. Okay? So, when x is 0, dito sa part na to, when x is 0, y is 0. Tapos, when x is 1, y is 1. Pero, butas siya. So, 1, negative 1. Hindi kasali yun. Tapos, when x is negative 1 din si x cube. So, mag-assign na lang kayo ng points para ma-decipher yung graph. Pangat naman ng drawing ko. Okay, so butas yung magkabilang dulo. Ihuli na natin yung absolute value. Para hindi maubos yung enerhiya natin. Okay? So, dito naman, next, if x is 1, y is 2. So, dito yung mga x, dito yung y. Okay? So, x is 1, y is 2. So, let's say this is 2. Anong nasan yun? When x is 1, y is 2. So, ito yung point lang yung tinutukoy niya. Tinutukoy nito ay yung point na 1, 2. So, punta naman tayo dito sa last row. If x is greater than 1, ang isa-sketch mo daw is y equal to negative 2x plus 6. So, if x is greater than 1, y is negative 2x plus 6. So, ang ginagawa ko, hinahanap ko muna yung image nung yung sa boundary, x equal to 1. Tapos, ipa-plot ko yon, pero butas kasi wala kang equality doon. So, if x is 1, ano mangyayari? So, y equal to negative 2 plus 6 equal to 4. So, 3, 4. So, butas yung graph natin doon. Actually, ang slope nitong line na to ay is negative, kaya magiging pababa siya. So may x-intercept siya somewhere. Ano kaya yung x-intercept? Ito nilabelan ko lang. So, yung 1 unit natin, ganito kalaki. So, this is 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. Okay. Labelan ko nga lang tong ano natin. So, the slope is negative 2. Pwede mo to isipin as negative 2 over 1. So, ang rise mo negative. So, bababa ka ng 2 units, magra-run ka ng 1 unit. So, baba ng 2 units, run ng 1 unit. Doon yung susunod na point. Doon yung susunod na point. Okay, so kukonect lang natin yan. So, ang lalabas dyan ay ganyan. Diretso ba yan? Diretso yan ha. Okay. Ang hirap naman mag-drawing ng straight line. Okay. So, na-drawing na natin tong tatlong to. Okay, ito naman yung final battle. Okay, yung para sa interval na ito. Iuusog ko lang ang ating graph because I need space. Hala, baka matakpan ko na yung sarili ko. Okay, so if x is less than negative 1, ito is a sketch, no? Y is negative 2x minus 6. So, gaya na sabi ko, hanapin mo na yung image doon sa boundary. So, if x is 1, y is 6. Saan ba 6? 5, 6. So, may graph dyan, pero butas. Okay? Kasi hindi kasali doon sa i-graph mo para dito yung 1. Kasi walang equality. Tapos, ano kaya itsura niyan? Sulat nga natin ng mas familiar form. Let us factor out negative 2. Pwede mong ilabas yung negative 2. May property yung absolute value na absolute value ni AB is equal to absolute value of A, absolute value of B. In-apply natin siya dito. This is A, this is B. So, ang lalabas, twice ni absolute value na x plus 3. Hindi ba familiar na tong form na to? Yung y equal to A times x minus h plus k. So, ang A natin is 2. Ang hk, actually plus 0 pa yan. Negative 3, 0. So, this is the vertex. Tapos, ito sinasabi nito, opening up. So, si negative 3, 0. Nasaan ba si negative 3, 0? 1 unit natin ito. So, i-extend ko pala yung graph ko. I need space. Malaki pa pala yung space ko. Party. So, 3 unit. Ala. Okay, so negative 3, negative 2, negative 3. This is negative 3, 0. Yan yung vertex. Let's connect natin dito. Okay? Patas pa letter V, no? May pa ganun pa yan, nag-extend. Saan yung katapat niya? Ayan, kumpleto na ang ating graph. Tapos ito tumatama doon, ha? Ito sa 1, sa 2, sa 4, sa 6. So, yan yung graph nung piecewise defined function na yon. Okay, itong lahat nung naka-pink. Medyo weird lang function niya. At function yan, pag nag-vertical line test ka, isang beses lang na-i-intersect yung graph. Okay? So, sa negative 1, wala siyang value, no? When x is negative 1, walang y, the function is undefined. So, pag vertical line ka doon, hindi tatama yung vertical line. Kasi butas ito, butas ito. Pagdating naman dito, isang beses lang tatama yung vertical line, dito lang. So, naintindihan ba yun? So, that is for yung mga different types of function and yung sketching. Ay, wait lang, bago pala tayo matapos, let us give the domain and the range of f. Ano yung mga x na nagamit? Actually, lahat ng x na gamit maliban kay negative 1. Makikita nyo actually dito yon. So, ayan. So, ayan. Nagamit lahat. Ito hindi nagamit. So, the set of real numbers except negative 1. And what is the range? So, from here, nagamit mo yung y. Yes. Yes. Tapos yung y dito gamit din because of that. Tapos ito, may point ka doon. Okay. So, basically, magagamit mo lahat ng y. So, the set of real numbers pa rin yung range mo. So, that's all for the different types of functions and yung mga graphs nila and domain and range. So, yung next topic natin is the operations on functions.